Hey, beautiful babe, sweet angel here, right here on Sugar Fingers. Oh my goodness, do you see what's in front of me? Yeah, that's what I have. The Madam Glam new April collection for 2021. It is the We Are All Glam Here collection. Yes, indeed. And I have 4 of the beautiful shades. Let me tell you about them here. Do you remember the story of a little girl following a rabbit in a strange land? Well, this collection is inspired by that story. It's inspired by Alice in Wonderland. And I was so happy to be very creative this month and do my own little Alice in Wonderland nails this time around. And yes, this is a soak-off cream gel with tremendous pastel shades and something special in the formula, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. But remember, when you use Madam Glam gel polishes, they are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formulas. Now this new collection, y'all, it features 11 new pastel soak-off gels. So amazing. And they feature chip-resistant, long-lasting gel polish, and you can get ready to do some amazing nail art with these. Now this new glam potion you will discover in the latest collection that was only available in Madam Glam's Wonderland. Once applied, it will make you feel instantly glam and will grant your enchantment ability. Now let me stop joking around so I can go ahead and share with you the 4 colors that I received from Madam Glam. Again, the packaging just gets me. Now the first one, this one is so pretty. I'm ready to take in this one right now. It's called Sea Life. Definitely very nice. And the next one, of course, you know the color is the same as on the top of the bottle, so you don't have to ever question which color is which. The next one is called Crazy Lobster. Yes, loving that. Loving that. I am. And the third one that I have, very nice, beautiful pastel colors. I love this. This one is called Little Chick. So cute. Doesn't it remind you of spring? Doesn't it remind you of actually Easter time? For sure. And then the final one I have, of course, you know I always have to grab some kind of a pink all the time. This one is beautiful and it is called Bunny Hop. Loving the names. I'm loving the idea of creating some beautiful nails. I'm going to do something a little bit different today, beautiful babes. When I do the nails this time around, your girl is actually going to try her very first set of press-on nails. I'm going to create some nails. I'm not going to do it on my fingers. I'm going to do it on my noodle tools and toys that I picked up. So let's get ready to prepare to do that now. I will be swatching all of the shades and I'll be using my cute little stand, and I have these full cover coffined nails already prepped and ready for the polish. So let's get to that now. So as I mentioned, I'll be doing my very first set of press-on nails. I'm going to create the design on these nails and then I will subsequently apply them to my nails. It may not be on this video. I think I'm going to do it on a separate video, but I just wanted to share the colors with you. I will be using my Madam Glam UV LED mini lamp here, and I will get this process started. So enjoy the music and let's wait for this amazing, I say amazing, final result of my very own Alice in Wonderland inspired gel nails using this wonderful collection by Madam Glam. Chapter 4, We Are All Glam Here. Let's get to it.
Where we are heading now. say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me.
Okay, beautiful babes, I just wanted to pop in and let y'all know that I am going to be doing an Alice in Wonderland type of nails. So I picked these up off of Amazon. It's the Disney nail art stickers cartoon decoration. They are actual stickers, so you don't have to actually adhere them with anything other than stick them on and put the top coat on. So I'm going to be doing again most of the Alice in Wonderland little characters on the nails some kind of way. My very first time trying this, so bear with me.
It's not a problem, no, 'cause I know what I'm getting into. Yes. Yeah, and nothing can stop me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to what you and I realize. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now before the moment flies, before it flies. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Susceptible now before the moment flies. In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yes. Yeah, lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all, to the edge of it all. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Ooh, susceptible now before the moment flies. It's not a problem, no, 'cause I know what I'm getting into. Yes. Yeah, and nothing can stop me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to what you and I.
All right, beautiful babes, please excuse the little swish in the background, but today is kind of chilly in Memphis and I needed my little heat on, so excuse that. But the nails are done. I have finished the nails, and these I call my press-on nails. I am actually going to apply the nails, but this is the Alice in Wonderland inspired gel nails using the Madam Glam We Are All Glam Here Chapter 4 collection, and plus the little decals and items that I got from Amazon. So right now, come along with me. I'm going to go ahead and apply the nails to my fingertips, okay?
In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yes, yeah. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all, to the edge of it all. So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what, yeah. Susceptible now, before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell your good lies.
Okay, beautiful babes, we are in the home stretch of finishing up these nails. And I tell you what, I think I did myself because, you know, I really didn't think I could pull this off, but by golly, I did. Just applying a little cuticle oil right now so I can give you the final reveal of these Alice in Wonderland inspired gel nails featuring Madam Glam's Chapter 4 We Are All Glam Here polishes. Girl, I did that. Listen, don't forget that you can get 30% off your entire order. Just use my code SweetAngel30 and behold the nails. I feel real good right about now, y'all, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video and the final look of the nails. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next one. I appreciate you all hanging out here on Sugar Fingers. Remember to subscribe on your way out and hit the little bell so you'll know when I upload again. Take care, beautiful babes, and please keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. Bye now.